In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Phantom Wallet on your laptop or PC. First, let's navigate to the Phantom website. Once you're there, locate the download button. Clicking on this will present you with a few options, and for a seamless experience on your laptop, you'll want to select the Chrome browser option. This choice ensures you're using an interface that's optimized for performance and user experience. Next, you'll see an option to add Phantom as an extension to your Chrome browser. Simply click on Add to Extensions, and when prompted, confirm by selecting Add to Chrome. This step is crucial as it integrates the Phantom Wallet directly into your browser, allowing you to access it conveniently whenever you need to. Once the extension is successfully added, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll make an important choice: create a new wallet or restore an existing one. For this tutorial, let's focus on creating a new wallet. Click on the Create a New Wallet option. You'll then proceed to a page that prompts you to continue with your email. This method is both secure and straightforward. Go ahead and click Continue with Email, and you'll be asked to connect using the email account of your preference. This means you should select the email address that you frequently use or one that you associate with your financial transactions for easy management. Following this, you'll set up a connection between your chosen email and your Phantom Wallet. It's a simple, guided process to ensure your information remains secure and your new wallet is ready for use. Once this setup is complete, congratulations, you've successfully created your new Phantom Wallet. From here, you're now ready to explore the various features the wallet offers. This includes securely storing your cryptocurrencies, making transactions, and engaging with decentralized applications. The user-friendly design of the Phantom Wallet ensures that whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, you can easily manage your assets and explore the full range of Web3 capabilities.